everyone, or should I say good afternoon. It's 12:30, so I had one of the best mornings. I got a vlog up, I got some cleaning done, I have just been answering emails, I cleaned my room a little bit. I am now starting to think of things that I can do to update my room now. If you guys watched any of my Vlogmas at all, I mentioned that I was going to do an official like room tour once I finished all the little things I wanted to do. Obviously, never put that up because I never purchased anything. I am really thinking that like this wall right here, let me show you. I'm thinking that this wall right here, the one that has the mirror on it, would be very pretty with some wallpaper. I haven't fully decided if I want like a design wallpaper, if I want green leaves, you know the wallpaper I'm talking about. If I want that kind of wallpaper. I have a lot of plants in here already, so I'm thinking no on the leaves, but they are still really cute. I was also thinking some kind of shelf could go against this wall, or maybe even that wall between the lamp and the window. There's a lot of places for little things like that. I have a ton of hats, so I wanted to hang all of those up on one of these walls as well, and I never really got anything above my headboard. It's just empty. I don't need anything up there. I definitely don't want it to feel too cluttered in here, but you know, a few of those things would help a lot. So I'm currently shopping, trying to find some stuff. Okay, I have been scouring the internet for cute wallpaper, and it's all like really expensive as well as kind of very elegant looking, and I wasn't really looking for something like that. I ended up stalking Aspen Ovard. A while ago, she posted a photo and tagged a wallpaper that she used. I think it was for her baby's room actually, and it was Noah's Wallpaper by Loomwell, and I ended up finding one that I think is really cute. It's like all the different phases of the moon. Tell me that is not a super cute wallpaper. I wonder if I can make it bigger. Do you see that? It's literally all the different phases of the moon within the month. I just like how it's not super colorful. It's very simple, but like it's still like a big statement. I can't tell. This genuinely might be for mothers to be, like to put in their babies' crib rooms, but I do see normal beds in here with wallpaper, so I don't care. I think it's really cute. I might ask what everyone else thinks, but I think I really like this. And welcome back to another episode of Ashley trying to convince you to purchase an air fryer. What I like to do is add a little olive oil to the air fryer itself. It is a non-stick pan, but just, you know, generally in my life, non-stick never seems to be true. I think everyone's lying. I don't know if I do things wrong. If there's anyone that could tell me what I'm doing wrong, please let me know in the comments below. But as of right now, non-stick always sticks for me. So I, for lunch, am making just a grilled chicken breast and some veggies. I am back on the health grind. As you know, summer's coming. Oh, is she coming? Which means bikini season, which means not diet, but just like eat clean, you know? I just chopped up some zucchini. I am now chopping up some bell pepper. The air fryer itself tends to shrink things down, so when I do cut veggies, I like to cut them pretty thick because they will shrivel a little bit. I feel like I don't need this much bell pepper, but again, we like our veggies thick for the air fryer. Get some chunks of onion in here. I love onion. Onion's probably one of my absolute favorites. It adds so much. So much. I don't know why I'm yelling. All right, so I had this chicken defrosting in the microwave. I'm gonna just make a little room here for the chicken breasts, which smells awful. You know, I really dislike the smell of raw anything, but like especially raw chicken. Woo! All right, there we go. Just for flavor and for extra moistness, I'll drizzle a little bit of, oh, it's out. I'll drizzle a little bit of olive oil. It really doesn't need it. It's just like flavor, you know? You guys know I'm a huge Flavor God fan. This is not sponsored. This is just, I love it so much and I have to tell you guys because I use it every single day. This is the Flavor God seasoning. It has absolutely 0 sodium. Wham bam, thank you ma'am. That's why I love it so much. It tastes fantastic. This is in the flavor Chipotle. And when I say I put it on everything, put it on everything. I really go hard on the chicken. Basically what I figured out is if you put a lot of seasoning on the chicken, it comes out kind of crispy, almost like it's fried, which you know, we don't want the fried, but we don't mind pretending like it's fried. And then I put a little extra on the veggies and that's it. That's what it looks like. I'm very excited for this. Your girl's hungry. I'm gonna put this in now. And it goes. And we're gonna put it in for this little drumstick. Whoops. I clicked the shrimp. The drumstick stands for chicken, and then press play. And there she goes, baby. Hard at work. Okay, so while that is cooking, I am going to try to get some work done. I have been ordering things for my room, and I had to think really hard today. There was a lot of things that I ordered that required me like measuring walls and taking the measurement in inches and dividing it. I'm not good at math is the problem, so I really have to do it like 5 times to make sure that I did it correctly. So that took a little bit of time, but now I'm ordering everything and I'm really excited. It's nothing huge, it's just, well, it is kind of huge. They're all like small things, but they make a really big difference. Does that make sense? I'm really pumped for all of this, so yeah. Also, you guys were so sweet in the comments in the last vlog, really encouraging us with Rosie. She has been doing great with the parents. She is actually coming and staying here for a while. It's kind of like a joint custody situation with Rosie. The boys, like my parents' dogs, like her. Toby, our dachshund, loves her a lot. Our lab is a little like, he could do without her. So funny. Chloe, on the other hand, was having a little bit of a hard time. She just felt, I think, very protective of the house and kind of really just overwhelmed with the fact that there was another dog here. And not only another dog, but another female dog. Chloe's normally the only female in the house. Chloe does have a bit of an alpha personality, and so does Rosie. So I think that's what's kind of making her feel a little threatened. So we thought that bringing Rosie here and letting them both just kind of like have normal days together and stay at home alone together, that kind of stuff would really help their relationship to bond. So Rosie and Chloe are on their way here right now. Chloe was at our parents' house this weekend because of Remy's birthday. We had a lot of people at our house and it was kind of just like too many people for Chloe, and she does get very overwhelmed with people in general, let alone a huge crowd of them. So we just thought that would be better for her. Yeah, they should be here soon and I'm excited to see them. Today is kind of a chill morning, and then I have a very exciting meeting later, and then I'm going to try to catch a SoulCycle class at 6:30. I didn't plan it out correctly. I feel like I might not make it because the meeting's in downtown. Yeah, I don't think I'm gonna make it, but it's kind of too late to cancel. They'll charge me anyways. So I'm going to keep my hopes up, and I think I'm gonna bring a workout outfit just in case. If not, it's fine. I already worked out today, so I'll just skip on the cardio, which is fine by me. My phone has been blowing up today. It's hard when it's like emails and texts and, you know, you get it. It's a lot. Okay, air fryer just went off. The grand reveal. Oh my gosh, that looks so good. Holy jeez. This looks incredible. Now, I know what you're thinking. A lot of you guys are like, Ashley, some of those veggies, I don't know about that. They look kind of burnt. And you're right. To a lot of people, this would look like a mistake. They'd be like, oh, poor baby. But if you bring in ketchup and maybe a little bit of mustard, it tastes like a French fry. Yeah, baby. Don't owe Ashley me. Y'all are missing out. Goodbye. Guys, look who's home. That's my girl. That's my girl. Lots of love to my firstborn. Come here, Rose. Hi, honey. Hi. It was a long ride for her. She's never been in a carrier before, so just safer for her. We try to do that, but I think it scared her a little bit. Okay, time for a quick little unboxing. All right, first package is Revolve stuff. Very excited about. I got this really cute one piece that's genuinely not as cute as I remember. I feel like I have bad luck with one pieces from Revolve. They're never exactly what I thought it was gonna be. bring you a little closer. Excuse my nose. I'm very allergic to Rosie, I think. Shh, it's our secret. Yes, Rose. We love you. You too, Chloe. Okay, the next thing I got from Revolve is this really beautiful below the knee length black dress. It's really pretty, it's really simple. I need something like this to just keep in my closet for events and stuff. It's just good to have one. And the last one that I purchased wasn't exactly what I thought it was gonna be. This one's gonna be perfect. Got a cute pair of shoes. Alicia had a pair, not like these, but similar, that I was wearing constantly. These are from Super Down, and how cute are these heels? This is like a doable heel. This is like the preferred size. I love the clear. I can wear it with anything. I love the nude. I have a couple nude heels, but the nude heel that's more this height is a very skinny heel, and that's hard to walk in sometimes. It's just not comfortable, period. So very excited for this. Moving on to the next package. This is, oh my gosh, this is MAC Cosmetics. What? They've never sent me anything before. Oh, ooh, some of these colors. Oh my God. Lip lacquer. I love these. I feel like these actually last longer than lipsticks do. Oh my goodness. Look at this, guys. Pretty. Also, this is gonna be my favorite. I can already tell. Patent Pleasure, $5.85. Oh, that is a beautiful pinky nude color. That is right up my alley. That's my jam. Thank you, MAC. Oh, I can't wait. I'm gonna use this all the time. All right, last but not least, this is from Huda Beauty. Cute, this is a bag. It's like rubber. That's really cool. On the inside, it's like a makeup bag. Wishful Yo Glow. One of these, which is always nice. A towel. So cute. Love this. I will find a way to wear this out. Very exciting. I really do love unboxings. It feels like Christmas. And I wonder if I should go, but you wanted me to stay, and I feel like I should go, and you wanted it that way. No one else built these walls made of pure glass. I just had a lovely work day at my friend Lexi's house, and this car is not going to let me come over. Rude. And I am on my way to SoulCycle right now, which of course, I'm barely going to make it, but that's okay. It's fine. I always do this to myself. I really need to work on it. They have this rule where you're supposed to call them right before. If you don't think you're gonna make it, like at least 4 minutes before the class, I'm gonna make it like right on time, but I have to call them and let them know, basically, so that they save my bike. SoulCycle in Hollywood, this is Savannah. Hi, I'm scheduled for Edward's class at 5:30, and I'm gonna be there, but I'm gonna be like right on time. Can you hold my bike for me?
Yeah, no worries. What's the last name? Okay, perfect. I'll hold it for you. Thanks for calling.
Amazing, thank you. I am back on tomato jail, which, if you don't know what tomato jail is, I think I've told you guys before, but basically there's like this something in tomato skin that helps aid metabolism, like boosting, which in turn helps aid weight loss. So your girl has been snacking on a lot of tomatoes lately. It's bikini season, people. It's what happens. And I just wanted to update you guys on that. shake.